Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Steam if it's not opening or launching on your PC. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix Steam if it's not opening or launching? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right. So for example, we are now in Steam. All right. So for example, this is not launching or, you're double clicking it and it's not launching. So for example, it's like that. For example, like we're in the browser, right? What you want to do is just right click on this. If you're Windows 11, Windows 10, the same thing. Click on this. A small panel will appear. Right click on the Steam icon and click on exit. As you can see, it's shutting down, right? And what you want to do, okay, let's let it load for a bit. What you want to do is press Control Alt Delete and go to Task Manager. And in Task Manager, check if the Steam is still running. So as you can see, Steam is not running anymore. So what you want to do is go to Steam again and open it. Restarting it should work. If not, as you can see, there it is. It loaded really fast. If this doesn't work, do this again. But after you clicked exit Steam, restart your computer, and then afterwards that should take care of the problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.